of my friends say, girl, you better take care, 'cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no, 'cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and down, along came you. But you might be a liar, and she's too. I just can't quit you now, 'cause I love you. Yes, I do.
Cleaning in Japan during summer is no fun. And I want to take showers 5 times a day, but I can't because it's not healthy. Never mind. I'm gonna clean that stuff. And then I'm gonna take a shower because I didn't take a shower yet.
I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby.
I love you, I love you, I love you.
No, 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 no.
Feel good. My mental health is nice.
Yeah, that was good. Wait a second. A little bit of light. Really, I have some salad bits stuck between my teeth, but I really needed to get some real good food after I took the shower and after I was cleaning my apartment. I really like to watch those videos of Hannah Lee Duggan or Dugan. Sorry Hannah if I said it wrong, or Currently Hannah is another YouTuber that I really, really like. She's also living in Japan, so you definitely should check her out. Anyhow, I decided, yeah, there's lots of lettuce stuck between my teeth. June is a really nice month. My grandmother had birthday. Some students in the school that I'm working in, they had birthdays, so we're singing a lot and it was really, really fun and really great. And yeah, update about school and my work. It's great. Sometimes you're in a good mood, sometimes you're not in a good mood. I mean, we're just human beings, so I totally understand that, but in general it's really, really fun. Basically, I would like to do, I just come a little bit closer to you. I really would like to have like more free talk classes. After a summer vacation, definitely it's more, I really want to focus more about having a good time, hanging out together, and just talking about a lot of different things, maybe in Japanese English mix, because everyone knows I'm studying Japanese right now. And so both sides, we will kind of support each other. So in case one of my students is watching this video now, yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I really would like to have a more kind of relaxing hangout session in school instead of being, you know, like super strict and, oh, we have to focus on this topic, we have to focus on that topic. No, it's more about communication, and that's the most important thing, right? Other than that, the days are getting hotter and hotter and hotter. I really enjoy actually when it rains, because then it's not so hot. Thank you so much, motorbike, that you sound like really strange farts. I'm so fed up with the entire corona thing, that Japan is not being prepared at all with the vaccination. I mean, Germany, my brother told me that 80% of the Germans are vaccinated and they're good to go. There are festivals, they can go out without the mask, except when they go to the supermarket they have to wear the mask, and yada 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 yada. But yeah, that's also one topic. But me being in Japan, I'm getting along better and better with the teachers. Still, everyone is just so busy, so we had a really great summer festival. It was just God. It was just so much fun. I enjoyed it so much. I really love to see everyone without being distracted by any classes, rushing from one classroom to the other, or being worried about whatever it is. I really want to visit my friends in Tokyo again, and also Kumamoto, and some friends in Nagasaki, and wherever they are right now, because it's about time. I really get depressed when I have to stay at home all day long, especially during the weekends. I didn't really go out because of the situation that we had. I'm a teacher and I have a responsibility, and therefore I try not to do too many things. But as soon as I have my DJI Osmo Action Pro, yes, I bought one. And that means I really want to go outside. That means I really want to go on hiking trips, camping trips, even though I don't have a tent yet. But, you know, bit by bit, I'm just buying stuff, getting all the things together, you know. And then I'm out. There is a little something. A little something will arrive. And I'm so looking forward to it. Oh my god, guys. The bell just rang. The package is about to arrive. Woohoo! I know I'm still wearing the mask and everything, but this is it. This is the package from Switzerland. Finally it arrived. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I really have to call my friend now or later, because first I have to edit all that stuff and I really want to take a nap, and I'm super excited. Yeah, so if you didn't do it already, hit the notification bell, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we're gonna see us next time. I promise a little bit earlier. But yeah, now I have to unpack this. I have to take a nap. Then I call my friend, and love you guys. Mwah!